Hello, hello, hello there, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel, y'all. I am TErickaLove. How are you all doing? How are you all doing, Cancer, Leo, Cusp? Okay, so Cancer, Leo, Cusp, I am sitting there. I'm trying to see y'all. I was contemplating. I'm like, I'm ready to give y'all a video. But I'm like, what am I going to do at this time? And y'all know, as y'all know, if you didn't know, my birthday is in February, 4 days after Valentine's Day, y'all. So, because my birthday is in February, y'all, I just want everybody to just feel love, be loved, just be surrounded by love, and let's just let's just put the love within so it can exuberate outwardly here. Okay, so I decided to give you all some messages. I said I'm going to give you all some advice for Valentine's Day. Okay, so sorry y'all, I can't talk. Cancer, Leo, Cusp. Okay, so some Valentine's Day advice. All right. Hopefully these messages will be helpful. I am excited. That's why I can't talk, y'all, because I'm so excited about these messages. Like, I'm just so excited. Okay. So yeah. Now, if you find the messages here that does not resonate, y'all know y'all can leave them on the table. But hopefully, you'll find something here that will be helpful. Some, entertaining type of messages here. Okay. All right. So, let's get you all's overall energy for the month. Oh, well, not the month, y'all. For Valentine's Day. Well, let's get your theme song. What song is going to put you all in that mood here on Valentine's Day? All right, you got Slow Motion. Slow Motion, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. All right. That is number 36. So, we know that's Juvenile. Oh no, that's Trey Songz. Slow Motion, okay? I'm going to look the song up for you all. Put a link in the description box, okay? But Trey Songz, Slow Motion, that song there is going to put you all in the mood here on Valentine's Day, okay? So let me get you all some advice, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. All right. Okay, I'm tired of this one right here because, let me see, give me some advice for Cancer, Leo, Cusp. All right? For Valentine's Day. You got Here and Now. So, Cancer, Leo, Cusp, your true love is already a part of your life. This person you could be spending time with on your Valentine's Day or thinking about here, okay? Oh, you got time apart here. So, I don't know, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. You might just want to fill yourself with that self-love here if you're feeling a little distant here from your true love on Valentine's Day, okay? The connection or this person that you feel here, that you have on your mind, this is a divine connection, but could be some distance, okay? All right, Cancer, Leo, Cusp, you got integrity. So whatever you decide to do on Valentine's Day, you just want to ask yourself, does this situation, do my decisions, do they align with my values and my morals, okay? All right, so let's get some more advice here for you, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. On Valentine's Day here, you got kissing ass. So somebody gonna be kissing some ass here. You could be receiving some flowers, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. You could be delivering some flowers here, okay? Maybe you need to give your special someone a bouquet of flowers, okay? Maybe a person like flowers here, okay? You got clout hungry. So either you're going to be saying whatever you need to say to get into that slow motion type of mood here, or your person is going to be saying whatever they need to say so they can get next to you here on Valentine's Day. All right, let's get some more. You got moves in silence here. So don't let nobody know what you're going to be doing here on Cancer, Leo, Cusp. Let it be a surprise, or someone could be possibly trying to surprise you all on Valentine's Day. Okay, let's get a few more messages here for you, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. Okay, you got this proposal here. All right, You got somebody in your energy that is wanting to spend some time with you, or you wanting to spend some time with this person here. Either you're going to be proposing an idea or something, or someone is going to propose some type of idea to you here. Okay? You got faith and destiny. So, your advice on Valentine's Day: know that things will work out in the end. Okay? If it don't unfold like you want it to on Valentine's Day, just know things will work out in the end, okay? You got weather out the storm, all right? So, whoever you're choosing to be with or spend your time with here, I'm getting that this person is ready to weather out the storm. I don't know, maybe for some of you all, it could be get caught in the rain here, all right? Maybe go for a long walk, under the showers, all right? But yeah, you gotta weather out the storm. So let's just talk gentle and nice and sweet on Valentine's Day, okay? Cancer, Leo, Cusp, with your words here, okay? And you got illusion. So you could be dealing with the Pisces. That is Pisces energy there with that Neptune, but you have to see what is fantasy and what is real reality, okay? So there could be some things transpiring leading up to Valentine's Day that have you in some type of illusion, or this person is just mesmerized here by you, Cancer, Leo, Cusp, and somebody gonna be kind of like in a dream world here, all right? So that's kind of lovely here, all right? All right, Cancer, Leo, Cusp. So this is your advice for Valentine's Day. Hopefully it will be helpful, you all. Thank you all for joining me. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity. And I'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye.